Hey guys, I just wanted to give you the quick demo of the new form builder that we are coming up within FormGet. So without wasting time, I will just head straight to the form builder. Since I've copied the new link of the form builder, I'm going to directly paste the link on the URL. I'm just writing the name of this form as contact us form, and I'm just pressing the create button here. So as you can see, a form has already been built with a header, the name of the title of the form, and it has a subtitle, it has a separator, and then it comes with a submit text button. Okay. Now you can actually customize this form according to your own wish. What we have done in this new design panel is that we have brought the concept of blocks and the concept of design within the same interface itself. So now what you can do is you can just press any of the blocks over here and you can basically customize anything on this block. So for example, when you click on a block, you can see a heading over here. You can write anything that you like if you write a contact us, you can just write contact us over here, and then you have a whole new block of typography. So you have an option to align this text on left, you can align this text on the center, you can align it as right, and if you have a multiple line text, you can also justify the text. So what I'm doing is I'm just centering the title of the form. Then you have the entire Google font library over here, and you can pretty much select any font that you like through the font family tab over here. Okay, so pretty much any Google font that you have seen, you can actually use that Google font, and then Google font will be applied to the contact us section. For this demo, I'm adding the Poppins font over here. So now after that, you can actually choose a font weight according to your requirement. If you want a font to be much bolder, you can choose a font weight, a higher font weight. If you want a thinner font size, you can choose a thinner font weight. Next, you can define and you can actually size the font according to your own wish. Next, you can customize the font color of the header. You can again make it italic, oblique, or anything that you like. If you want it underlined, overlined, line through, you can do anything like that. If you want to reduce the space between blocks, you can use the line height tab. If you want to increase the spacing between the letters, you can actually use the letter spacing text. So for now on, what I'm doing is I'm just keeping the contact us section as it is. Moving downwards, I can again change the text. We generally respond within the next 24 hours. Okay, again we have the typography tab where we can pretty much do anything that we like, and for this I'm just using the gray button. For the contact us, I'm again going to use a normal black. So after that, we have certain blocks where we can add multiple fields. If you want to have a full name field, you can add here. If you want to add a single text field, if you want to add an email field, if you want to add a message field, you can pretty much add as many fields as you like. Okay, for this form, I'm just adding the first name, last name field, the email field, and the message field. Lastly, the submit button text that you see here can again be customized. You can align this button on the left. If you want, you can align this button on the center. If you want the text on the right, you can do that. Again, you have freedom to choose any type of font type that you want. The font weight can again be customized, and the font size can be chosen according to your own requirements. You can customize the color of your form. You can customize the font color. You can again make it italic, oblique, and you can increase or decrease the height of the button through the line height option. and if you want the button to be full width, you can still use the full width button itself. Not only this, you can also customize few other things. So for example, if you don't want to have this form header shown, you can just disable the form header. Okay, if you again want to show that, you can show that by just pressing this form header button. You can customize the background of this form, so you can just check out all the different backgrounds that are included with the form, and you can pretty much choose any background that fits your branding needs. And if you want, you can also upload a custom background with this form. Again, if you want to change the header, you always have a library of different header types. So if you want to have a different header, you can just choose any of the headers over here, and those headers will be replaced on the top header. Okay, if you want to upload your own custom header, you can also upload those custom header according to your needs. You can also choose the font template color. We have some pre-built templates that you can use, and you can use those templates to customize the form look according to your need. And so this is pretty much everything that we are coming up with the new designer and the block panel. You can also customize some advanced fields like the header background color, the form background color, the field borders, the field border after you select any field, the field background color. You can set the direction to right to left text, and if you want, you can add a footer to this form. Okay, so these are some of the things that we are coming up with. We are soon also coming up with other options, like you can increase the width of this form, and you can increase the border. You can increase the border size of the form fields. We are also coming up with an option to change the border radius of this form fields, and pretty much you can actually customize anything that you see on this form page according to your needs directly. You can also include blocks like images, videos, and if you want, you can also collect payments. You can include fields like the upload field, the radio field, the drop down field, the checkbox field, and much more. And pretty much this update is going to be coming this week itself, and I do hope that you will love this update. And I thought that maybe I could share this upcoming updates with you directly, and that is the reason I created this video today. So I'll keep you posted once we launch the new update. I will keep you in the loop. I will update you by email, and you can pretty much create any kind of forms using FormGet. So stay tuned with any update emails that I post. Thank you.